Okay, so sa next naman is gamitin natin yung ratio values using yung select optimized. I'll go back and open my analytical modeling workflow. And anyway, punta na lang tayo sa utilities under command file. Yan. So gumawa tayo ng multiple na select parameters. I'll remove them. Or maybe pwede natin gawing comments lahat to. So, comment. So, i-click lang natin to para ma-convert lahat yung line ng comment. So, hindi natin sila kailangan. Ibalik natin yung select optimize. And then, we can retain yung ratio. Yan. So, we can retain yung ratio. So, although hindi natin pwedeng gamitin or bago-baguhin yung value ng ratio doon sa per stage ng optimization, okay lang na pwede tayong gumamit doon sa first na stage. Pero, ang mahirap lang dito, paulit-ulit niya gagamitin yung value. So, maybe, we can just use something that is closer to 1. So, like 0.85 or kaya 0.9 instead of using 1. So, ganun pa rin doon sa may parameter na last. Alright? So, 1 pa rin. Ibabalik natin siya sa 1. So, I'll fix the parameter numbering. So, number 1, number 2. Okay, save and then close. Okay. So, i-run natin yung analysis. Yan, may mga error dito pero like I said, okay lang. Kasi dun sa mismong post-processing wala. So, post-processing, balik ko lang yung view para ma-eliminate yung hindi natin kailangan sa display. Result, utilization. Alright. So by doing this, so mukhang halos walang changes but there are certain benefits na pwedeng ma-attain by doing yung process na pinakita ko kanina. No? So again, same pa rin, walang failure. But that's one technique of if you want to produce a result na medyo localized, no? So if you want na mas mabilis yung process ng iteration, kasi kung gagamit tayo ng 1 na limit, magfi-fail at magfi-fail, so ulit-ulitin niyo yung process. Apart from pwede nating i-assign sa buong structure, there can also be a process wherein pwede tayong gumamit ng utilization ratio na iba-iba. So let's say sabihin na natin, pwede mong gamitan ng utilization ratio na different doon sa may roof. Like, gagamit ka ng 0.6. Tapos doon sa mga columns mo or yung mga vertical elements mo, gagamit ka ng 0.7. So, depende na lang sa case, no? Depende sa situation. You can certainly do that and produce a much better result, a much economical result. So, hindi naman binabawal na magkakaiba yung utilization ratio for different member. However, it is important to take note that on your last parameter, dun sa pinaka-last, you always bring the ratio back to its original value. So, i-reset mo lahat into 1. Alright, so I guess that's it for now. Yung susunod na video dito will be about the use of group command sa Staad.